Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video you are going to learn Lean Six Sigma. Topic I have discussed are what is Lean Six Sigma, understanding of Lean and Six Sigma, benefit of Lean Six Sigma and Lean Six Sigma levels. Let's start the video. Lean Six Sigma is a process improvement method designed to get rid of problems, remove waste and efficiency, and improve working conditions to provide a better response to customers' needs. It combines the tools, methods, and principle of lean manufacturing and Six Sigma method into one popular and powerful methodology, striving for eliminating waste of physical resources, time, effort, and talent while assuring quality in productions and organizational process. Lean Six Sigma teams-oriented approach has proven result in maximizing efficiency and dramatically improving profitability for business around the world. What is Lean Six Sigma? Understanding of Lean and Six Sigma. The Lean concept of management lend its focus on the reductions and eliminations of 8 kinds of waste known as downtime, which is an abbreviation of deferred overproductions, wetting, non-utilized talent, transportations, inventory motions, and extra processing. Lean refer to any methods, measure, or tools that help in the identifications and eliminations of waste. The term Six Sigma refer to tools and techniques that are used to improve manufacturing process. An engineer at Motorola introduced in the 1986, and it was trademarked by the company in 1993. Its intent is to improve process by analyzing and eliminating the cause of defect and variations in business and manufacturing process. Six Sigma domain phases are utilized in the Lean Six Sigma. The acronyms stand for define, measure, analyze, improve, and control. If referred to a data-driven method for improving, optimizing, and establishing business and manufacturing process. The combinations of lean management concept and Six Sigma tools and techniques makes clear what process are prone to variations and then reduces those variations to ensure continued improvement. I have discussed Six Sigma and lean manufacturing in 2 separate video. Check those video in the descriptions. Now come to the benefit of Six Sigma. Benefits: Sigma 1, simplifying process. Lean Six Sigma will simplify the business process. The cross-functional value streams maps will identify area of waste and inefficiency. When the wasted effort in removed and the work around are no longer needed, the remaining process are become simple and often much easier to manage and control. Second, favor error and mistakes. Lean Six Sigma start with a definitions of acceptable quality based upon what the customers value. This external focus on quality, prioritize, and continuous improvement efforts to address the problems that have the most impact on product and services. Number 3, predictable performance. Lean Six Sigma has a focus on reducing variations within a process. With less variations, process become more predictable. That means predictable cycle time, predictable quality output, and predictable cost. Number 4, personal effectiveness. Lean Six Sigma provide a structured problem solving methodology that can be used to address any types of problem. Being able to find any fixed problem will improve your ability to perform in any positions and industry. Let's move on the Lean Six Sigma level. Lean Six Sigma training uses belt level to denote expertise similar to Six Sigma. Yellow belt awareness of Lean Six Sigma. Green belt focus on the use of tool and applications of dynamic and lean principles. Black belt full-time project leader. Master black belt black belt with a minimum of 2 years of experience and able to teach Lean Six Sigma. If you find the video helpful and informative, give us a like, share video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video.